it's me again. I'm going to show you the LPS I have so far. The one from the package is, well, not here, because I'm using it for a series. And Oscar is not here, series. Well, it's not a video series, it's just real life series when I play by myself with no camera. And this is going to be a really fast video because I don't have enough space in my camera. I mean, my iPad. So, yeah. So I already have this one. This is my first pet. This is not going to be in the order I got it, so, yeah. Sparkly pet. I'll stand right here. Next is this dog. Yep, I got it. No, I don't. I'm trying to be really fast here. I got it. Yep, I got it. This chimpanzee with a banana splatter. She got some tail. Okay, next is this dog. I love it. It's a magnet. Next is this dog. Red magnet. Cute. Next is this dog. The same one. But blue magnet. This is Jack. No, this is Finn. This is Jack. Yeah. And that's it. We're the twins, the British twins. Could hold hands. Yeah. And subscribe, leave a comment. We don't got no subscribers, so subscribe, please. I really want. Yeah. Don't judge me, okay? Okay.